Hi everybody! Our project today is the Happy Fall Pumpkins, and it looks like this one. So this is the t-shirt project we're going to ink today on. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm just going to tilt my camera down really quick so you guys can see the workspace, alright? So give us just a second to get that going. Okay, I think you guys can see that. All right, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and get started on here. And with inking, you don't have to fuzz your stencil. You do want it pretty sticky to stick to the fabric. And I do have my ink mat under here, and that just makes it to where your shirt does not slide or move when you're going to do your project or place it down. So I'm just gonna pick a spot here, center as I can. And the beautiful part is if I don't like it, I could just go ahead and lift it back up and place it in a different area. So just want to make sure that I'm smoothing those down. Everything looks correct to me. Okay, perfect. I already went and put my ink in little trays that I'm going to be using. So today I'm going to be using the emerald ink, our black ink, the cocoa bean, the mango mojito, and the pumpkin pie, pumpkin spice orange. So it's already fuzzed and good to go. So I'm going to go ahead and get started. So for the happy fall here, I think I'm just going to leave that just straight black. So everything that has words here, it's going to be that black color. I'm very excited for fall. How about anyone else? Are you guys ready for the fall season? I see some fall designs coming on the creator page. They're so cute. I'm starting to decorate my house for fall already. How about you guys? Anybody else already decorating? My husband came home yesterday and all of the fall stuff is already out and in totes everywhere. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and just wipe this guy off. And then I'm going to do our little pumpkins here with a little bit of that emerald green. And if you want to get crazy detail, I recommend using the little paint brushes to get really close if that's what you like. You guys know me, I don't mind the color blend too much. I think it puts a little bit of character in it. But some of these little stems are a little tricky, so you could use your little paintbrush squeezers and get those just fine. All right, so that is gonna be my green, and then I'm thinking to do the mango mojito here, to do the brown here, to kind of break it up, and then do the orange over here. So let's go ahead. I'm going to work from right to left because I prefer that way. And I'm going to start with our pumpkin pie ink. All right. Just making sure that all of my design is covered. All of the lines are good. It's getting enough ink to go through the screen into the fabric. Went back for a little bit more. Ink is not as forgiving as paste is. So if you've never inked before, you definitely want to do a little amount and then work towards the bigger amount. You don't want to just plop a big blob on there because then it's pretty thin and it'll start bleeding under that stencil. So less is more, and just keep going back for more if you need it. So there's one pumpkin. Go ahead and wipe off my squeegee here. And then I'm gonna work on the brown here. And I kind of went in and did like the stems in the green too. But honestly, I think I'm gonna like it a little bit less. All right, so this is the cocoa bean here. And back to that stem part, I think you could just do whatever, you know, design that you guys want to do. If it's, you know, with the green, without the green. I'm just going to try it without it and see how it looks. All right, almost done with that cocoa bean. And again, if you don't want your colors to even get close, you could go ahead and use that paintbrush squeegee to get really close to these lines. Really perfect it if that's what you like to do. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and wash that off. Now I'm gonna work on our last pumpkin here. This one is going to be our like creamy mango mojito. So with the mango mojito itself, I did add just a little cocoa bean to it to get just a tad bit of that darker color. I definitely wanted to go with like the fall vibe here, but also I'll let you guys take a look at this shirt. It's kind of an ombre long sleeve, perfect for the fall, but the colors I chose kind of blended in with that, I think. If I had a different color shirt, maybe I would do, you know, some more like maroon, or, you know, just some more fall colors. Maybe I could even have done the maroon here, but pumpkins, definitely an orange. You had to get the orange in there, right? Okay, so it looks like my project is completed. I'm just kind of looking to make sure there's no, you know, no missing pieces. Do you see a little bit here on this corner? So when you're working with them, just make sure to take a good look before you peel up. You know, obviously you can always go back, but I like to just give it one final good glance before removing. So to me, everything looks covered. It looks great. I'm just going to go ahead and I call it peel it to reveal it. Some people call it something different, but I just think it's a little catchy. So we're going to peel to reveal. And this, guys, is super, super sticky. So give me just a second. All right. So I did bleed just a little bit around here, but for me, that is totally okay, especially from a little further away. You can't really see it. I might go in and doctor a few, but I definitely like how it came out. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take it off the ink mat. It's still a little wet, but I kind of want to show you guys what it looks like. So give me just a second to move that camera just a minute. And then you guys can see me again. Hello. All right. So we take this out. And I used my big ink mat on this one because it was kind of a big sweatshirt. Okay. So here it is. Let me get that a little bit closer for you guys. You guys see? Get the little pumpkin there. Perfect. But the reason why I chose that is because I told you guys about the ombre effect on this shirt. So you can see up here, it goes from like really white, and then look at the bottom. I'm gonna bring it up for you guys. Do you see how it's like a cream and then it turns into like a darker brown? Maybe the back will show you a little bit more. You see that one? So that's why I chose my colors. I really like this look. And then if I were to kind of put it on, you guys could see how it looks. What do you guys think? You like it? It's still a little wet, or I would put it on. It's not wet enough to bleed through the black, but I think if I put it on, I might do a little bit more damage. So again, here is the fall, happy fall pumpkins. So that's all I have for you guys today. So I hope you enjoyed our quick little t-shirt project. Here's that little shirt again. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to just reach out and let us know. But I hope you guys have a great rest of the week. Bye guys.